Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your laptop, tablet, or phone on eBay. Selling your tech devices on eBay is a great way to earn some extra cash, and I'll walk you through every step so you can do it confidently. Let's start by visiting eBay's website. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, be sure to set one up. It's a straightforward process and it only takes a few minutes. Having an account also makes managing your sales easier, as you'll be able to track your listings, bids, and sales history all in one place. After logging in, you'll find the Sell button in the upper right-hand corner of the homepage. This button will direct you to the selling interface, where you'll create your listing. Once you're on the selling page, you'll notice an option labeled List an Item. Click on it to begin the process of listing your device. This is the beginning of your selling journey on eBay. Now it's time to enter some details about the item you're selling. You need to accurately type in the brand, model, and date of the laptop, tablet, or phone. It's crucial to be precise here because these details will help potential buyers find your listing more easily. Think about it. When a buyer searches for a specific model or brand, you want your listing to appear in their search results. The more accurate you are, the higher the chances that your item will be found by the right buyers. After entering this information, click on the search icon. eBay will then offer you a list of suggested category matches for your item. Choose the one that best fits what you're selling. This step ensures that your item is placed in the right category, making it easier for buyers to locate it. For example, if you're selling an iPhone, make sure it's listed under the Cell Phones and Smartphones category. This helps buyers narrow down their search, improving the chances of your listing being discovered. Next, you'll need to specify the condition of your item. Be honest and transparent about its condition, whether it's new, used, or has any defects. Accurately describing the condition can build trust with potential buyers and help prevent any possible disputes later on. For instance, if your tablet has a cracked screen, mention that in the description. Buyers appreciate clear and honest communication, and it can lead to fewer returns or negative feedback. After specifying the condition, you'll see an option to continue to the listing page. Click on this to move to the next step. On the listing page, eBay allows you to include a description of your item's condition. It's a good idea to provide a brief note here to give buyers a clear understanding of what they can expect. For example, you can say, "Laptop is in great condition with minor signs of wear on the case," or "Tablet has a small crack on the screen but is fully functional." You'll also see an option to add a more extensive description of your item. If you're not sure what to write, eBay offers an AI description tool to assist you. This feature can be a huge time saver and can help you create a detailed, compelling listing that highlights your item's best features. Don't forget to specify the country where the item originates from. This information can be crucial for buyers who may have preferences or restrictions based on the country of origin. For example, if you're selling a device that comes with specific warranties only valid in certain regions, it's important to note that in the description. This extra transparency can also help international buyers make informed decisions. Once all this is done, you're ready for the final step. Click on the List button to put your device up for sale on eBay. At this point, your item will be live and available for buyers to see. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on your listing, especially in the first few days, to respond quickly to any questions buyers may have. And there you have it. Your laptop, tablet, or phone is now live on eBay and ready to be found by eager buyers. Remember, the key to a successful sale is clear, honest communication and presentation. Providing all the necessary details, being transparent about the condition, and offering a competitive price can make a huge difference in your success. Good luck with your sale, and happy selling!